Is learning science difficult for you?
Don't worry, we'll make it easy for you.
Take a look around your room. You might see your bed, a window, or some books. In science, every single thing you see is simply called a thing. We sort all these things into two big buckets, living and non-living. Let's look at two different things, a puppy and a toy car. But how do we tell them apart? How do we know which bucket they belong in? You can find the answer just by thinking about your own body and the things you do every day. When you compare your own body to the objects around you, you're looking for the same clues a scientist does to figure out what is actually alive. The first clue is a simple question. Does it grow? Living things physically get bigger over time. Think about how you used to be a tiny baby, and now you are getting taller every year. The same rule applies to animals. A little kitten grows up until it becomes a full-sized cat. Now, think about a rock outside or your favorite toy car. They stay the exact same size forever. The second question is, does it breathe? Take a gentle, audible breath in and out. Living humans and animals constantly pull air into their bodies to stay alive. Growing larger and breathing air are things only a living body can do. A non-living object like a chair sits perfectly still without ever needing a breath of air. Here is our third and final test. Ask yourself, does it need a snack? When your tummy rumbles, your body is telling you it needs food and water to have energy. Living things must eat. You never have to feed your toy car a cracker or give it a glass of water. That shows us it isn't alive. But what about grass and trees? Plants don't have mouths and they don't have rumbling tummies. So are they alive? If we look closely, plants actually drink water by pulling it up through their roots and breathe air through their leaves. Because plants grow, breathe, and drink, they pass all three tests. That means they are part of the living world, just like we are. Let's go back to the puppy and toy car and use our three questions. First, the puppy. Does it grow, breathe, and eat? Yes, so it goes into the living bucket. The toy car doesn't do those things. It is non-living. You're in the living group, along with your family and your pets and the trees outside. Before you go, try this. Pick 3 things in your house and ask the 3 questions. When you remember what your own body needs to grow, breathe, and eat, you can easily tell the difference between the living world and the objects you see every single day. Go on more learning adventures with us? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.